Hey, welcome. You've just found English Unwritten, and this is our very first episode of Everyday English. I'm Noah.
And I'm Amanda. So glad you're here. Seriously, this is exciting.
So, episode 1, brand new series, brand new start. And we thought, you know what? What better way to kick things off than with something you do every single day in real life?
Exactly. Today's topic is introducing yourself.
Sounds simple, right? But honestly, a lot of people freeze up when they have to do this in English. You know the feeling. Someone asks, "So, tell me about yourself." And suddenly your brain just goes completely blank.
Oh, totally. It happens to everyone. Don't worry about it.
So in this episode, you're going to hear a full, natural conversation about introducing yourself in 3 parts. Each part gets a little more real, a little more relaxed.
And by the end, you'll have the words, the phrases, the confidence, everything you need to introduce yourself like a natural English speaker.
All right, let's get into it.
Okay, so here's the situation. Imagine you're at a company orientation. It's your first day at a new job. You walk into a room, and there are a few people you've never met before.
And one of them walks up to you, smiles, and says, "Hi, I don't think we've met."
And that's it. That's the moment. You have maybe 30 seconds to make a good first impression in English.
So what do you say? How do you introduce yourself in a way that feels natural, not stiff, not rehearsed?
That's exactly what we're going to show you today. Noah and I are going to play 2 people meeting for the very first time.
We'll start simple, short sentences, easy words, then we'll build up. More questions, more reactions, more of that real back and forth energy.
Ready? Let's go.
Hi there, I'm Noah.
Oh, hi, I'm Amanda. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Is this your first day?
Yes, it is. What about you?
Yeah, same. I just started today.
Oh, that's good. So we're both new.
Yeah, exactly. Where are you from, Amanda?
I'm from Chicago. And you?
I'm from Seattle, actually, but I moved here a couple of months ago.
Oh, nice. I just moved here last week.
Really? So you're still getting settled in?
Yeah, a little bit. It's a lot to take in, honestly.
I know the feeling. So what do you do here? I mean, what's your role?
I'm in marketing. I'll be working on the social media team.
Oh, that sounds interesting.
What about you?
I'm in IT, so I'll be handling the systems and tech support.
Oh, good to know. I might need your help someday.
Anytime, seriously.
So, do you know many people here yet?
Not really. You're actually the first person I've spoken to today.
Same here. Well, I guess we're off to a good start then.
Yeah, definitely. So Amanda, how long have you been in marketing?
About 3 years now, actually. I started in a really small company, and then I moved to a bigger agency, and, well, now I'm here.
Wow, so you've had quite a journey.
Yeah, a little bit. What about you? Have you always been in IT?
Pretty much, yeah. I studied computer science in college, and I've been in tech ever since. I kind of just fell into it, honestly.
Oh, really? How so?
Well, I mean, I always liked fixing things, figuring out how stuff works, so it made sense, I guess.
That's actually really cool. I feel like IT people are kind of like the backbone of any company, you know?
Well, I don't know about that, but we try.
No, seriously. Every time something breaks, everyone just panics until IT shows up.
That's unfortunately very true.
So Noah, outside of work, what do you do? Like, what do you enjoy?
Well, I play guitar a little, nothing serious. And I really like hiking, especially on weekends. It kind of clears my head, you know.
Oh, I love that. I've actually been wanting to get into hiking more. I used to do it back in Chicago, but there aren't as many trails there, obviously.
Oh, you'd love it here then. There are some amazing spots not too far from the city.
Really? You'll have to tell me more about that.
Definitely. What about you? What do you do for fun?
I'm a huge reader, actually. Like, I always have a book going. And I love cooking. Trying new recipes on weekends is kind of my thing.
That's cool. What kind of food do you cook?
Oh, everything. Italian, Thai, Mexican. I just love experimenting. Last weekend, I actually tried to make homemade ramen from scratch.
Wait, from scratch? That sounds intense.
It was. It took like 4 hours, but it was so worth it.
Wow. You've got way more patience than me.
It's a problem sometimes.
You know, it's funny, I feel like I've known you for way longer than 10 minutes.
Right? That's a good sign, I think. It means the conversation is just flowing.
Exactly. Which is honestly kind of rare, especially in a work setting. Everyone's usually so formal.
Oh, totally. Like the whole awkward, so what do you do? And then just silence.
Yes, the terrible silence.
The worst. But yeah, I feel like a good introduction is really just being curious about the other person, you know?
That's a good way to put it. Ask questions. Actually listen to the answers.
Exactly. People can tell when you're just going through the motions.
For sure. So, I'm really glad we ran into each other, genuinely.
Me too. It's always nice to find a friendly face on the first day.
Absolutely. Hey, are you going to the welcome lunch later?
I think so, yeah. Is that at noon?
I believe so. We should grab seats together.
Oh, definitely. That way I don't have to awkwardly sit next to someone I don't know.
Well, technically you don't know me either.
Fair point. But you're already way less awkward than most people I've met today.
I'll take that as a compliment.
It is one, trust me.
All right, well, I should go find my desk before someone steals it.
Good call. Well, it was really, really nice meeting you, Noah.
You too, Amanda. See you at lunch.
See you then. All right, let's look at some really useful phrases from today's conversation.
First one. Nice to meet you. Simple, classic, and you'll use this every single time you meet someone new.
Next, is this your first day? A great way to start a conversation in a work or school setting.
I just moved here a couple of months ago. Perfect for talking about where you're from and your situation.
What do you do here? A natural, friendly way to ask about someone's job or role.
I kind of just fell into it. A really casual, natural phrase for explaining how you got into something.
It's a lot to take in. Useful when something is new, big, or a little overwhelming.
We should grab seats together. A great way to make a casual plan feel warm and friendly.
And the last one, it was really nice meeting you. Use this to close any conversation on a warm, positive note.
8 phrases. Simple, real, and you can start using every single one of them today.
And that's a wrap on episode 1, Introducing Yourself.
You heard how a real introduction flows, from the very first hi all the way to see you later. No scripts, no stiffness, just natural conversation.
Practice these phrases. Say them out loud. The more you use them, the more natural they'll feel. Promise.
Next episode, we'll show you exactly what to say when you forget someone's name without making it awkward.
So subscribe and turn on notifications. We'll see you in the next episode. Till then, bye.
Bye.